The Unified Bowling team began their season this month and have been practicing since early October.
Unified bowling is a type of bowling that combines 2 to 3 bowlers with an athlete, and an athlete typically has a mental disability, and this year Sadie is our athlete. We have 3 tournaments and districts.
Coach Bradley expresses how she feels about her team and the changes they faced.
Everybody gets along. So when you go up to bowl, everybody's giving everybody high fives and everybody's cheering everybody on. And if somebody's doing something wrong, somebody's down there usually helping them, telling them, hey, you need to move over here, or helping them correct their problems.
It's a very close relation sport, and so over the years people will come into your life and they help you with your bowling, and that just kind of sticks with you, and you kind of want to do that for other people too.
It's just really fun. You should really join.
We lost most of our seniors last year, so we've got almost a whole new team this year.
I'm looking forward to most this year, probably just trying to make it to districts. If anything, trying to just be better, get better in bowling than I have been before.
We work on forms and team bonding.
Practices mostly consist of just getting better and practicing with things that we need to work on. For me, I have to work on spares because I'm not very good at picking up spares.
Help cheer on the team as they continue their journey to districts in December.